what do you see? Red, blue, yellow, and green with glee. In the world around, so much to find. A rainbow of colors for every mind. Red is the apple so shiny and sweet. Red is the fire truck racing on the street. Red is the rose in grandma's yard. Red is the heart on a greeting card. Can you find something red today? Yeah, wave and shout, hooray!
Blue is the sky on a sunny day. Blue is the ocean where dolphins play. Blue is the bird with a cheerful song. Blue is my blanket all night long. Can you find something blue today?
Ah, wave and shout, hooray!
Yellow is the sun up in the sky. Yellow is the lemon in my pie. Yellow is the duck that quacks so loud. Yellow is the smiley in every crowd. Can you find something yellow today?
Ah, wave and shout, hooray!
Green is the grass beneath my feet. Green is the broccoli that I eat. Green is the frog that hops all day. Green is the leaf that blows away. Can you find something green today?
Ah, wave and shout, hooray!